What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm on the Amazon side of things, so I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do my pre-trip. One thing I did forget was my mallet in the car to check the tires and all that. Alright, here we go. I'll just put you on my head again. I'll try my best not to move my head so much. Last video was just, man, all over the place. Alright. That's good enough. Holy shit. Drain your air tanks. But this Amazon side, I feel like they just hire anybody, and people don't necessarily take care of the equipment or keep the truck clean. Keep the truck clean. Keep the truck clean, or care to. And so you really got to do your job and make sure that this truck is safe for you to operate, and that the things that needed to be checked and done are checked and done. That's my biggest problem with working on this side. Besides that, it's cool. I mean, I don't really like the trucks either because of the CNG. They have like absolutely no power at all. Horrible trucks. Horrible decision to want to change over to this natural gas. I feel like, and I said it before, I feel like they want to go ahead and move over to this natural gas because they're trying to prove something, Amazon being, and show, oh look, we're different, you know, we care about the environment, whatever. Just cut it out. Just get some diesel trucks and get the trucking, because trucks are horrible. You're spending so much more money on fixing these trucks and all this different stuff, picking the trucks up when they're freaking stranded on the side of the road. I got stranded once. I got broke down once in New Jersey by the Palisades Center. And what happened with that was the guy picked me up and he mentioned how these trucks are known to just break down, and he's always picking these trucks up from the side of the road. So you claim that you want to take care of the environment or whatever by moving to natural gas, but you're getting diesel trucks to pick up these trucks on the side of the road. So are you really like helping the environment? This is another problem with the spider. Another problem with the CNG, that the fueling stations that are supposed to be there to allow you to fuel up, a lot of times they don't work. They have problems all the time. So how are you supposed to fuel up? You know, I've had times where I went to one stop to get fueled up, one location. It didn't work, so I had to go all the way from there, all the way down to another location. I don't know, this is always a problem. Out of 4 pumps, you usually got 1, and if you're lucky, you got 2 that are working out of 4. And this is almost in every location here in Connecticut. So yeah, that's that. But let's get the trucking. Well, just got to the fuel station, but this thing is packed. I don't know what this guy's doing. So I guess he just moved from that pump, so most likely it's not working. Like I said, these things will not be working. So I don't really have time to sit around and wait. Stuff takes time to fill up these trucks. So I'm gonna have to go to another location and fill up. And this is where things with Amazon start to get a little annoying, a little frustrating, because there's about 5 locations for fuel in Connecticut. They're not necessarily close to each other. The closest one to here is maybe 15-20 minutes. There's one by my stop that I need before I need to go over to New Jersey. And normally, like, I like to do that, where I'll just go pick up my loads and get started, and once I'm gonna head out to New York, New Jersey, and that way I'll fuel up then. But the problem with that is you don't know if it's gonna be working. So, and that's the last one here in Connecticut. So if you go all the way out there expecting to fuel up and it's not working, well, guess what? You're gonna have to drive all the way back this way in the Hartford area, about an hour, just to fuel up, and go all the way back an hour to head to your New York and New Jersey stop. So I'm gonna take that risk. Hopefully that New Haven pump is working. If not, gonna be behind schedule and whatnot. So these are things you gotta go through with this Amazon stuff and natural gas. If it was diesel, I would have been fueled up already, had no issues. We would have gone on with our day. But it is what it is. So I'll get to my first stop and get started. So arriving at first stop about 22 minutes early, 20 minutes early. Hopefully it's ready. says here trailer not ready, but I don't know. It's been a while since I've done these Amazon loads, and they changed up the relay app a little bit, so maybe it's different. Maybe it is ready. So let's see. Hopefully it's all ready, and I can go to my second stop, and hopefully that's ready too. That way I can go try and fuel up, and if by any chance that New Haven stop isn't working, I have enough time to go to Hartford and fuel up there if it gets to that point. Hopefully it doesn't. I'll still be late because it takes so long to drive all the way back, but we'll see. Place my cell phone. What's up, brother? What happened?
Last 3 of the beering.
Oh. For my pickup, WJJ. WJJ.
W?
Yeah.
A?
JJ.
Ah, JJ.
Yeah, W as in water, and J as in Jose. WJJ.
JJ.
Yeah.
It's not coming up. Bring the phone.
Oh, I'm having issues with my load not popping up, so I'll record once it's all figured out. I had to do that because these trucks have a pretty low fifth plate, so a lot of times this trailer may be a little too high for these trucks. You see, it barely came on just now, so if I didn't lower this, it would have been some little too high. thing I didn't mention about these trucks is that the trucks are governed at 63 miles per hour, but with cruise control, you can reach 65. So when I'm on these trucks, I'm sitting on that right lane. Cause listen, if you going 65 miles per hour on the highway, get on the right lane. I don't care who you are. You could be a trucker, you could be a car, whatever. Just move over. Because if you're sitting in the middle lane, you're forcing trucks to go on the right, you're forcing cars to go on the right, and all these cars are doing all this extra stuff to get around you. And you can potentially cause an accident by going slow and not choosing the correct lane that you're supposed to be driving in. You know, everybody drives 70, 75 and up. So if you are the slowest moving vehicle, just sit on the right lane. Have some patience. You're not gonna be zooming through vehicles or nothing like that. So have some patience. One thing that driving trucks has taught me, this camera's moving around, I don't really have anywhere to really place it where it won't move. One thing that trucking has taught me, most importantly, is to be patient. Have patience. You know, in the car, if there's vehicles that are moving kind of slow, you can try to get around them. But in a truck, it's so much harder to do that because you don't have the acceleration that you do in a car, and you're freaking over 50 feet long. So having patience is key. It will prevent any accidents from happening that you may cause or others. It will stop you from getting all hot-headed and angry when something isn't going your way, or people are doing stuff to piss you off, get around you, brake check you, beep at you because they don't have patience. So patience is key, not only in this but in life as well. You gotta have patience. You have to learn how to have delayed gratitude. You know, we're so used to getting things so quickly and so fast, but we just understand, especially as a truck driver, that I just gotta get from A to B, and I'm on basically like the truck's time and traffic and all these stuff. I don't have control over that, so I'm not gonna stress out about it. I'm gonna have patience. I'm gonna drive safely. I'm gonna protect my CDL, protect my job, because I gotta protect this income, because I gotta protect my family. And that's it. You keep that in mind and everything's gonna go well for you. So just a little bit of wisdom for you guys.
Proceed to route. As they say, with great power comes, as they
say with great power comes great responsibility, and this truck holds a lot of power, meaning a lot of responsibilities. So be responsible, get that money. I will start driving to my second location now, and I'll record once I'm there. Peace. I wanted to mention also, with these trucks, there's so many, these Amazon trucks, there's so many sensors and alarms and this camera and all these different things that forces you to drive like to the T on safety and the law and whatever. And that's cool and all. Well, there's certain instances where, let's say for example, you're on the highway and the speed limit is 60 miles per hour or 65. Well, then all of a sudden it changes to 50. You are forced to drive 50 miles per hour now. I personally do not feel safe doing that, because while I'm going 50 miles per hour now, everybody's blowing past me at 70 and over, and I have now become a hazard on the highway. And for example, you know, there's a stop sign and I slow down enough, but I'm still rolling a little bit. You know how you do in a car, or even whatever, just regular. And I keep going and I don't completely come to a stop. I have now blew the stop sign, which is crazy, but hey, it is what it is. That's how they want it. It says if I'm early, park somewhere. I'll figure it out when I'm there. Stop is taking me through some small roads in New Haven. Wonder what this place is. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video so far. You're getting an understanding of how it is to drive for Amazon. It's cool. I don't complain. My thing is, as long as I'm in that 1,000 to 1,500 a week range for my checks, I don't got nothing to complain about. I'm happy with that. Arts of Frames. Yeah, this is it. Arts of Frames. What the heck is this? So we gotta figure something out because got here? I don't even know who am I supposed to check in with. I guess over here. But I want to check in with somebody real quick. This is all the room they're giving me to back up in here as well. This small ass street. It's crazy. Bueno, ¿quién es? Ella aquí, gracias. Hello, hola. Yo estoy como 30 minutos temprano. So, ¿alguien va a venir a recoger un trailer de esto? ¿Tú sabes? ¿Eh?
¿Ustedes Amazon?
¿Cómo?
De Amazon es
Sí, Amazon.
usted tiene que llevar eso y dejarnos el vacío.
Oh, so, ¿tengo que recoger esta aquí?
Sí.
¿Con quién yo se quedo?
No hacemos check-in, solo así nomás y de ahí ya se lo llevo.
Ok.
¿A qué hora tiene que irse?
Déjame ver. A las 4:25 recogerlo.
Ya.
Son como 25 minutos.
Ok. Entonces, vamos a seguir subiendo el vacío.
Ok.
Él es el encargado de...
Ok.
Él es el que le da la hoja final.
Oh, ok, gracias.
Voy a hablar con...
Buena, ¿cómo estás?
Thank you for your information, yes.
Huh?
Thank you for your information.
Yeah. So this is the trailer that I'm picking up.
517.
517? Okay. All right, cool.
517. 1 hour.
Yeah. So, when...
Stay way.
Okay. All right, thank you. Yeah. It's my first time here, so I just wanted to talk to somebody.
Yeah, no problem. Turn around. And drop at the corner.
Yep.
Drop at the corner.
Oh, I dropped this one off at the corner?
No, not here. Trailer, you first turn around.
Yep.
You drop it right there. You drop it right there. You stay wait 1 hour. Not 1 hour. For
Yeah.
you, I need this half hour.
Okay.
And the change trailer, put it back and take it new. Yes. Half an hour at 4:30 you start.
4:30?
Yeah, 4:30 you start.
So I'll turn around,
Turn around,
come back here,
drop it.
just stay there.
Wait.
Yep.
You look time.
It's 4 o'clock.
4:45. Ho!
4:45, come pick this one up. And then you need me to put my empty back on here or just leave it
Yes.
there? Okay. So where can I drop it off? Just right here on the corner?
Yes.
And then come and pick this one up?
Where the bump?
Yeah.
Bump. Okay.
I drop this one off there, put this one, bring it here. Okay. Awesome. Thank you. Yes, sir.
No problem.
All right.
Bill Leding, I give you sooner. I give you Bill Leding.
Okay.
Everything, how many pallets the guy asked for me. I give you Bill Leding, you sign, give me it's
Okay.
loaded.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Good driver?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yes?
Yes.
Sometimes this one.
Yeah, it's a little tight, but
This is too short.
yeah. But I can get it.
Bля, fucking too stuck, electric stuck.
Yeah.
No, you good driver? Good.
I'll take my time. That's it, you know?
No, I need to almost close the door.
Yeah.
Almost close this stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to stop. Chop.
Okay. All right, cool. Thank you. Man, I I'm just getting some interesting locations for coming back. That's cool. More content, right? I guess y'all gonna see if I'm able to make this with a sleeper. Man, I know people with a sleeper. This is a nightmare to come over here. I'm patient and careful and responsible. Those are the most important things. That's what makes a good driver right there. So we're gonna go. Hello, baby. Yeah, but I gotta wait until like close to 5 to pick up the trailer. So, but I have to get turned around and in this street. It's mad tight over here, so I gotta find a street to turn around and then come back up.
Okay, just wanted to say me and Gabby are still watching your video. I think we're almost done now.
Nice.
But it was so cool. It looks like something you should. Okay, we'll just come back later. We'll talk about it.
Okay. I love you later. That wasn't bad either. I could come up this way. It's a lot of space and there's not a car. One thing, looking at the map, I was worried to see if there was going to be a car in that corner to prevent me from turning. But that might be my best choice because this here is super tight. Very small road and coming around. I mean, I can get it, but it'd just be easier to go on that first street. This turn right here is super tight. I gotta come out this way in order to make this. I didn't really see that on the map. This guy just blew the light. Okay. Go for it now or don't go for it at all. Thank you. Let's go. If I didn't take that turn right there on red, I was gonna be there forever. So you just gotta go, commit to it, and do it. Now coming up this way, I'm just gonna have to make this turn wide, and then just back up and align myself where he pointed out that I need to be at. It's right in the corner, so the trailer isn't really gonna be aligned properly once I get there. know what I could do as well is go fuel up since I'm gonna be waiting here. Drop this trailer off now. Just go fuel up. So this is what I was talking about here. I gotta line my trailer up real quick. Back it all up. All right. He is all set, or the trailer is all set and ready for me. I had to look at that paperwork real quick just to make sure that this is actually the trailer that's for me, and it is. I just looked at the location. It's going to the New Jersey location, which is where I'm going. So get disconnected real quick. So since I was here, these guys are just going to leave. The second truck that had just gotten there left, and then this guy right here, the one in charge, was just letting this guy know no need. No need. So I'm gonna need this guy to move though, so I can get this trailer out of here.
sign day.
I'm at the fueling station in New Haven. Gonna get fueled up. Hopefully, right? If it's working. I'll show you the process for this. And then hopefully I'm just able to go ahead and get going with my day. It's unfortunate that I needed to wait so long for this, but it's alright. What can you do? To go holler at this yard jockey real quick, cause since I wasn't doing Amazon no more for some time, I left my my bolt cutter somewhere. Hello. You have bolt cutters by a chance?
Anybody have bolt cutters on hand?
I'm at 108. Yeah. Same thing. Yeah. Why cutters? Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I used to keep some, but I haven't done Amazon in a while, so I didn't keep it in my bag.
Oh. Okay, that's what we're here for, right?
Yes. Normally they just want me to drop off the trailer, but I guess this time they want me to bring it to the door.
Wait, this one here?
Nah, normally when I come I just drop it off, but they want me to the door now this time, I guess. Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Huh?
Safe travels.
Say that again?
Safe travels.
Oh, thank you. I know that everybody love you when you got something to give. So what if I ain't have none? You still be my real. If I ain't had none to give, let them know. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. 2 in the morning. Heading back to the yard. Nothing special, just gonna drop the truck off, check over a few things quickly, and make sure everything's still running good, like lights, and tires are good, etc. And then that's pretty much it. Done for today. And then just wait on for the next day. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you watched this long, go ahead and comment down below. Felix the trucker, or comment down below. Good job, Felix. Yeah. yeah, if you watch to the end of this video right now, comment down below, good job, Felix. Just so I can know that you the real one. You official, you 100. So, thank you for tuning in. Like the video, comment down below. Good job, Felix. Share this video, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.